Welcome the our channel. Today we how to create a video with Filmora, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Filmora on your computer. Create a new project by selecting New Project on the main menu. Choose your preferred aspect ratio based on the platform you intend to use. Import your media files by clicking on the Import button. Select the video clips, images, and audio files you want to use. Drag and drop your imported media onto the timeline. Arrange the clips in the desired order by clicking and dragging them. Trim any clips by moving the edges inward to shorten their duration. Add transitions by navigating to the Transitions tab on the left menu. Drag your chosen transitions between clips on the timeline. Select the text/credit option to add titles or subtitles. Choose a text style, drag it onto the timeline, and customize the text. Adjust the font, size, color, and position in the preview window. To add music, click on the Audio tab and select a track. Drag the audio track to the timeline below the video clips. Adjust the volume by clicking the audio clip and using the volume slider. Preview your video frequently by clicking the play button in the preview window. Make any necessary adjustments to timing, transitions, or text. When satisfied, click Export in the upper right corner. Select your desired video format and quality settings. Name your video file and choose a save location on your computer. Finally, click Export to render your video. Your video is now ready for sharing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.